So my name's Marc Whittaker. I'm a portfolio manager on the mid and small cap funds here at IML. I had a long interest in investing as a teenager. My father was a long-term financial planner for the National Australia Bank, but my real passion for investing didn't really kick off until I went to university and really discovering finance as an option to study at uni, and undertaking that study was really a fire starter for me in terms of a real avid and passionate interest in markets. If I think back to when my first investment was made as an amateur investor, if I can put it that way, I think Telstra One was my first introduction to investing on my own behalf in the market. So it was exciting, right? You put your money into the market, the stock went up, you made a bit of a profit. It was all very exciting and new, and it was very engaging and really sort of set the scene for a long interest in markets. I love being in markets. If I think about the types of jobs I could be doing as a white collar professional, nothing really compares to working in markets. It's just that whole dynamic nature of markets, the flow of information, disseminating what's important, what's not important, the value from the noise, and really turning that into an investment idea and hopefully and ideally a positive investment outcome is really quite exciting. If I had to give a piece of advice to investors, it would be this. When you look to own or make an investment, really understand what it is that you're looking to buy or to own and the reasons why you want to buy it. I've always been a value guy at heart, so when I think about my approach to markets, my approach to investing, it's really about value, buying what I think is good quality stocks at a price that's a good discount to what I think it's worth. And IML is really one of the preeminent investment managers in the local market, working with the likes of Anton, who clearly is one of the leading value managers domestically. And their ethos and approach to value and the idea of quality, I think, has been a very attractive lure to me coming over to IML.